Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining target pages and 3 to 5 priority keywords for each page so outreach stays focused. Once done, connect your domain to the Semrush link building tool and authorize the crawl. This pulls current backlink data automatically. Next, import any existing backlinks via CSV to avoid duplication and enable campaign tracking so you can measure progress. Make sure to tag high-value pages now, because organizing early saves time and prevents wasted outreach later. Now you build the prospect list. Run Backlink Gap and the link building tool to surface sites linking to competitors and editorial targets. Once results are visible, filter by authority, organic traffic, topical relevance, and follow versus no-follow status to prioritize opportunities. Export the refine list and create outreach templates that reference the prospect's content specifically. Personalized pitches convert better. Make sure to include your value proposition and an easy win offer like updated resource, guest post. Finish by executing staged outreach sequences and logging replies directly in Semrush so every contact is tracked. Once links start coming in, monitor new and lost backlinks, domain authority shifts, and referral traffic weekly to evaluate ROI. If a promised link never appears, follow up courteously or offer alternate value. If a toxic link appears, consider disavow after review. One troubleshooting tip: when outreach stalls, reevaluate your target relevance and tighten personalization. Low relevance causes the highest rejection rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.